Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to throttle the amount of internet bandwidth Windows 11 uses for updates so it doesn't lag your games or work calls. By default, Windows can consume your entire connection to download patches, but we can set a hard speed limit in the settings. First, click the Start button and select Settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Windows Update. Now, click on Advanced Options located under the More Options section. Scroll down and click on Delivery Optimization. Under the Download Settings section, you have two choices: Absolute Bandwidth or Percentage of Measured Bandwidth. Select Absolute Bandwidth if you want to set a specific speed, like 1 or 5 megabits per second. Check the box for Limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background. Enter your desired speed in the box provided. You can also check the box for foreground downloads to limit the speed even when you are manually checking for updates. To save even more bandwidth, scroll down to Upload Settings. Check the box to limit how much bandwidth is used for uploading updates to other PCs on the internet. Slide the bar down to 5% to ensure your upload speed stays clear for your own use. And that's it! Your network is now protected from aggressive background updates. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.